Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see another practical tip, which is landing pages, to understand how it can help us in improving our business performance in the Google Analytics account. So once we log into our account, guys, we can add this particular dimension. So let's have a look at that. So we can add a new dimension called landing pages and query string. Apart from that, the metrics which we want to see for this is, let's say we want to see the number of sessions. And we also want to look at bounce rate. So these two we can add over here. And let's have a look at this data now. So what we can do is we can add this first. And then we can add the metrics based on this. So this way, now we can see the data for it as well properly, wherein we can see all the sessions and bounce rate. So the first one is for the home page. We can see the number of sessions, bounce rate as well. And for the other sections of the website as well, the report gives us data on sessions and bounce rate. So now looking at this, we can try to understand what are the pages where we're getting the highest number of sessions. So this gives us a clear idea that these are the top performing pages of the website, where most of the time people are visiting and checking out our products and services. If that is the case, then in such a case, what we can do is for these pages, we can go ahead and improve the page quality. We can try to do a lot of SEO for those pages so that they appear more prominently on the Google search results pages. Also, we can run some marketing campaigns for these pages. Maybe we can run some Google or Facebook ads for these pages, which can help us generate more revenue through them. So that can be one initiative which we can take, insight which we can get from here. The other aspect of it is the bounce rate. So with respect to the bounce rate, we can look at certain pages which has received really low or very high bounce rate. Like for example, this particular page for which we have received a very low bounce rate of 3.1%. So we can check out such pages and see what exactly happened, why there is such a huge drop in the bounce rate for this page. Maybe the page is not working, it has a 404 error or some kind of issue with the page, which we can then get it fixed. Similarly, we can look at other pages which has a very high bounce rate, like for example, this one, where we can see the same kind of information and try to fix the page as much as we can. So looking at these two again, we can get some actionable item steps which we can get from here, which can really help to improve the website's overall performance. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how we can look at the sessions data, bounce rate data of our top performing pages as well to take some necessary steps. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.